Hi, everyone. I just wanted to kind of check in and talk over expectations and kind of some of the assignments and how this at home learning is going to go over the next couple of weeks. So, earlier today, I sent an email. So, please make sure that if you have not gotten that, you double check with me. Maybe I didn't have the right email address. And then I'm also using Remind. So if you're not getting any Remind messages on this tab, there's the Remind code. So please join that. So a couple of things I just want to make very clear. Tomorrow, Thursday, March 19th, we start going live with digital learning. That does not mean that tomorrow at 8:55, like how normal first period that you have to do certain things. It's not how it's really going to work. Instead, you get to go at your own pace. All the assignments are there. You can work ahead if you want to. It's just completely up to you. Now, for the first few days, it's fairly simple. It is you're going to watch some review videos. You're going to fill out a Google Doc, and that's what we're really going to be kind of talking about a little bit today in a second is what are you supposed to do in order to fill that out. So we're just kind of getting used to the expectations. Most of the stuff that you're going to fill out is a Google Doc. It's just very important that you make a copy of all those Google Docs so that you can edit it and then turn it in. Here in a minute, I'm going to show you my computer screen to kind of show you where everything is. Something else that I really want you to do is create a Zoom account on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 3 o'clock. I am going to do a kind of like an online meeting where you can join in on your phone. Basically, it's like FaceTime if you download the app. And from there, we can kind of talk. So like, Ms. Cruz, like, how am I supposed to do this? And where is this? So just kind of ask questions, and then I can record those sessions and then post them on Haiku Learning. So if you are working or if you are taking care of a sibling, you can watch them when you're ready. And then hopefully that'll answer some of your questions. Here we are on my Haiku page or PowerSchool Learning. This is what your screen should look like. Kind of ignore this left-hand side. But and this is where you're going to turn assignments in. This will stay up at the top. It'll say assignment block from this point on. There's also a calendar over here where you can kind of like hover over. You can click on things and it'll tell you like what is due what day. See how it's got the time, 11:59. Okay, so you can use that calendar to your advantage. And then down here, it has like more detailed explanations of what you're supposed to do each day. So let's just do day one because that is tomorrow, Thursday, March 19th. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on up here. It says World War One, and you're going to click on this Google Doc, right? So you're going to click on it. It's going to pop up. It's going to look like this. Okay. Now, this is my copy. All right. I want it to stay blank for all the students. So what you need to do is go over here to File, Make a Copy. You will click on that. You'll save it to your drive. If you want to put your name on it, you can. That's perfectly fine. But just make sure you have like World War One. And then once it's in your drive, you can go in and you can type in your answers. Okay. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. As soon as you do that, once it's done, you're going to hit hand in. Now, the moment that you hand it in, that is the version that I will see. So don't like only do half of it and go ahead and hand it in and then finish the rest. I will only see what you've done once it says hand in. Here are the videos. And again, it's super quick, super simple. We're just going to review some stuff. And those are the first 3 days. So that gets us through Monday. So that gets us started for tomorrow through Monday. On Friday, I will be doing a Zoom question and answer. And I'll communicate through Remind to sign up and all of that. We'll do that at 3 o'clock on Friday, to where we can talk about the assignments and talk about any questions that you might have. And until then, just please remember to send me a remind message if you have questions or an email. I'm thinking about you. I miss you. And good luck. Bye.